Hey, it's Anissa, and I have a great deal for you today on the solar-powered pathway lights. Now, this has been a customer favorite for many, many years, but they've just upgraded it in so many ways, and the price is lower than ever. Now, let's go over all the upgrades. First, it's gone from 2 LEDs to 4, and boy, is it bright. Second, they've improved the solar panel, which means it's going to really take the sun in better. And they've improved the battery. So it charges all day and then it will stay on all night long. And to top it all off, they've improved the stainless steel housing. So it's just absolutely gorgeous. And because it's stainless steel, it will enhance any outdoor setting. And installation is a breeze. You don't need any electrician, and there's no plugs to plug into or trip over. All you do is when you take it out of the box, you simply push the button to on, and that's it. You don't have to turn it on and off ever again. Then you take the included stakes, put them together, and place them on the back, and then you're ready to stake it anywhere you want. You can put it on a pathway leading up to your house, in your garden, around your pool, or what really looks great is to put a few of these around a big tree so it acts as a spotlight, lighting up the tree for a simply stunning look. And you'll love that these are weather resistant, so you can keep these outside all year long. Because they're flush to the ground, they're very safe. Your kids won't be tripping over them, and your dogs aren't going to knock them over and break them. You're just going to have one simply stunning yard. There are so many things to love about these, but what's even better is our super low price. We've never had a price this low. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So make sure you go around your yard, see where you can use these, and buy a bunch. Head on over to the site and pick up a few sets today.